Let's review the Luna II Auto CPAP machine by React Health, formerly known as 3B Medical. The Luna II CPAP is made simple to navigate and set up. All you need is everything in your setup bag, distilled water, and your prescribed mask. When you receive your machine and open it up, you will find that it will come in its own carrying case. Inside you will find your CPAP machine, your tubing, your power cord, the user manual, and your non-disposable filter. First, pull out your machine and access your power cord. Your power cord will have two parts: the end that plugs into the wall outlet, and the power converter brick that plugs into the other end of the outlet. When plugging your power cord into the back of your machine, be sure that you are plugging it correctly to avoid any damage to the metal prongs. After plugging in your machine, you will then plug in your tubing. You may use both standard and heated tubing. If you are using standard tubing, all you must do is securely plug the rubber end of the tubing into the back of the machine. If you use heated tubing, the tube will have a small wire on the outside. For further instruction on specifically setting up your Luna II heated tubing, please see the video linked in the description below. Next, on the left side of the machine you will find the filter door. To remove and replace the filter, simply lift the plastic filter door and pull. Behind the filter door you will find a black spongy filter. This is known as the non-disposable filter. Here is also where you can locate and replace the disposable filter as well. Only one filter is needed at a time, therefore you can choose between the non-disposable and the disposable filter to use. The black non-disposable filter is to be replaced every 6 months and rinsed under cold water every 2 weeks. The white disposable filter is to be replaced every 2 weeks and not washed or rinsed, just replaced 2 times a month. Finally, the water chamber. This is located on the front right side of the machine. To remove the water chamber, press down and slide it out of the machine. To open the lid, lift the latch at the front of it and fill up only to the max line. Once filled, close the lid and slide it back into the machine. A humidifier is a great tool for any dryness or irritation that may be caused by your therapy. Now you are all set. Subscribe and comment questions below.